Irrigation brings blank to help crops grow. Is it irrigation brings air to help crops grow for the triangle in red, or irrigation brings grass to help crops grow for the the diamond in blue, or is it irrigation brings water to help crops grow for the circle in yellow? Which of the following is not a natural resource? Is water not a natural resource for the triangle in red? Is glass not a natural resource for the diamond in blue? Or is trees not a natural resource for the circle in yellow? Which is not a natural resource? The blank provides us with our natural resources. Is it the earth provides us with our natural resources for the triangle in red? Or is it the pilgrims provide us with our natural resources for the diamond in blue? Or is it communities provide us with our natural resources for the circle in yellow? Turning off the lights helps save water for the triangle in red. Turning off the lights helps save electricity for the diamond in blue. Or turning off the lights helps save newspapers for the circle in yellow. We use blank to make electricity to help run machines in our homes. We use pollution to make electricity to help run machines in our homes for the triangle in red, or we use natural resources to make electricity to help run machines in our homes for the diamond in blue, or we use communities to make electricity to run machines in our home for the circle in yellow. How is the girl in the picture conserving paper? Look at the picture. How is she conserving paper? Is she recycling for the triangle in red, or is she throwing paper in the trash for the diamond in blue? A blank community has large areas of land to farm and grow crops. A urban community has large areas of land to farm and grow crops for the triangle in red, or a suburban community has large areas of land to farm and grow crops for the diamond in blue, or a rural community has large areas of land to farm and grow crops for the circle in yellow. Last question, everybody. Blank means to save or use carefully. Is that word conserve for the triangle in red? Or is it throw away means to save or use carefully for the diamond in blue? Which means to save or use carefully?